Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we all have learned what is heredity, variation, and genetics, and also about accumulation of variation during reproduction. Now, in this class, we will learn what are the rules for the inheritance of traits, who was Mendel, and what were his contribution in the field of genetics. So let's get started. George Mendel was the father of genetics. He found that the plant's offspring retain traits of the parents. Means offspring contains the characters or the traits of parents. In last class, you all have learned what are characters and traits. Between 1856 and 1863, Mendel cultivated and tested some 28,000 pea plants. Now, what is the rule for the inheritance of traits? As you all know, inheritance means the transfer of genetic information from parents to its offspring. In this rule, the characters are transferred through genes. As you all know, genes are present in the DNA molecule, which is present in the set of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. According to this rule, characters of both father and mother contribute equal amount of genetic material to the child. So for each trait there are two factors, one from father and one from mother. Rieger John Mendel conducted experiment with garden pea plant of his Montessori and determined the rules for the inheritance of traits. Mendel did first experiment with one pair of character. Means he took one character height of the pea plant, in which he selected pure tall capital T and pure short small t and cross pollinated them. He obtained in first generation F1 generation all tall plants. The first trait obtained was capital T small t. After that, he self-pollinated the first generation and he got tall and dwarf plant. The ratio was 3:1, in which 3 were tall and 1 was dwarf, means short. The traits that expressed in the F1 generation is called the dominant trait, and the trait that is suppressed in the F1 generation is called the recessive trait. So the dominant was tall and suppressed or recessive trait was short.